Hey, how you doing? I'm the Don, the godfather of computers, here with this week's cybersecurity tip, number 11. Don't use public Wi-Fi until you watch or read this tip. We're all guilty of connecting to free public Wi-Fi, whether it's at the coffee shop, hotel, airport. The temptation to click and check email and surf the web is just too strong to resist. So before you connect to any free public Wi-Fi, make sure the connection is legit. It's pretty standard for hackers to set up fake clones of public Wi-Fi access points to try to get you to connect to their Wi-Fi instead of the legit one being provided for you. Before connecting, check with an employee at the location to verify the name of their Wi-Fi network. It's always more secure if you can use your smartphone as a hotspot, but sometimes that isn't possible. You can still minimize the possible dangers of public Wi-Fi with a few simple ideas. You know you can trust me, right? But do you know who else you can trust? Always stay with the well-known public Wi-Fi networks like Panera or Starbucks. They have a reputation to consider, so they are much more likely to maintain a secure Wi-Fi network. But no public Wi-Fi can guarantee they're secure, because someone that is currently on the same Wi-Fi network as you could still hack into your computer. For that reason, be very careful connecting to hotel and motel Wi-Fi networks. Stick with HTTPS. If you browse the internet over HTTPS secured websites, people on the same Wi-Fi network as you can't snoop on the data that travels between you and the server of the website you're connecting to. Over HTTP, it's relatively easy for them to watch what you're doing. Be careful what info you share over the public Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi platform wants you to supply personal info to connect to their public Wi-Fi platform, please think twice before you provide that info. Sign up for as few public Wi-Fi platforms as possible. If you have a concern or strange feeling about a certain venue's Wi-Fi platform, don't sign up. It's not worth it. Here are some bonus tips. Many security exploits rely on old, out-of-date software, so make sure you're running all the latest patches and software updates on your laptop or phone before hitting the road. Also, don't download or install anything new or do any banking or purchasing over public Wi-Fi, unless you absolutely have to. Next, never access financial, medical, or other sensitive data while on public Wi-Fi. Also, don't enter any credit card information unless you're absolutely certain the connection point you're on is safe and secure. Don't use any public Wi-Fi if you don't have to. Instead, think about downloading videos and music for offline access before you leave home, or use your smartphone's hotspot instead. That's it for tip number 11. Stay safe, stay home, let's kill this bug. Next week's tip will be set up bank alerts immediately. Remember, it ain't personal, it's just business.